In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to recover a quote or a booking, how to access it, how to edit it, or how to pay for it. Okay? So first of all, there's two ways to access your quote. You can click on Login on the top right of the website, the Login button. Put your email and your password. If you don't remember, just click on Forgot Password and click on Continue. You're now in My Trip, okay? And you see your trip. I have various trips. You see I have one on departure the 1st of June. I have another trip on the 1st of May. And the status of it's a quote. So I'm going to edit this one. So I'm going to click on See Detail, Edit or Pay. And let's say I want to not go the 1st of June, but I want to go the 1st of May. So I'm going to click on Edit My Trip. And I'm going to also add a person in my trip, one more person. So we say 1st of May now. I'm going to select 1st of May. And I'm going to add a single room for that trip. I could also change cycling or easy walking if I wanted to. I could change a different type of accommodation. I could select a different night for starting or finishing my tour. I could add an extra night in Sarria if I wanted to, or in Porto Marine. Yeah, I put 2 nights in Porto Marine. I could remove the dinner, or I could add a tapas tour. So let's add a tapas tour. This is the price for the 3 people now. And I'm going to click on Continue. Now, my quote has been changed. That's it. There's nothing else to do. You see the prices at the bottom. You're happy or not. If you're not happy, you can click on Edit again. And you can change something that you like or you don't like in the tour. Click on Continue again. So we changed the trip. Now, you've received an email. So you can go to your email and check what you've changed in there, if you're happy with the price and everything. Okay? Now, the second way of doing a change in your booking or in your quote is to go from an email. So you go to your mailbox, you select the email. Let's say you want to manage the trips, which is editing the trip, or maybe you want to confirm, which is to pay. We're going to manage it. Now I click on Manage My Trip. I can see the details of the trip, and the same as before, click on Edit My Trip. When you are on this edition mode, you can just do whatever you want with your trip. Add an extra night here in Salceda or remove it. Remove or change the option and click then on Continue. When you press the button Continue, you automatically receive an email to confirm the price, the tour. So I'm going to go to the email now. You see I receive a new email. Let's have a look at the email. Okay. And in this email, you can click and confirm your trip again. That's it. Thank you very much.